Molimau, o a'u o river Lana. Pepe, malepele o umatua. Aile I whaiasa o Molimau, o lea these children are not my children. It's Mum's children. Here you go, Heaven.
Hi everybody, my name's Heaven. I love Mama very, very much and I miss her so much. I miss Mama so much. And I miss the most that she used to always put a smile on my face. And I miss the times that we used to take her out to her favorite places and help her. And I miss the time that I used to sleep with her and help her do her stuff and coffee and tea in the morning when she needed it. And the times that I used to help her do things that she wanted to. And I miss my mama so much. And I want to grow up to be a person like her. She's up here and I'm thankful for all the stuff she has done for us. We know she's up to heaven to see Papa and God. And we know she's up to heaven to see God. And amen.
As I was preparing to do my Molimau, I didn't know where to start. I have so many memories and Mum, you are the embodiment of love, kindness, and strength. From the very beginning, you showed me what it means to be selfless. Your strength and resilience inspired me every day. Mum, you have shaped the very core of who I am. You taught me the importance of family, the value of kindness, and the power of faith. You made our home a place of warmth, laughter, and love, and for that, I am forever grateful. How lucky I am to have you, Mum. You are a gift, a blessing, and a treasure. Your love will continue to guide me and my children. Your wisdom will always echo in our hearts, and your spirit will live on in all of us. I just thank you, Mum, that's all, for everything. The sacrifices you have made, the love you gave, and the example you set. You have taught me how to be a loving mother and a loving wife. I miss you so much, Mum. Thank you for teaching my children. Thank you for being that prayer warrior, teaching my children to pray and to love their God. Mum, I miss you very, very much. I'm going to end my Molimau with a bese. The song Mum used to sing when I was a baby, right, to when I was an adult. And every morning at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., anytime, she would sing this and I would wake up. This is also the very song that we sang on the last morning that she was here on earth with us. Ole pese 303. Emanuelo Malanga, Mom, love you.